Wish, teruknya lighting. I'm sorry guys, I haven't done this for so long. Hi guys, so hari tu I ada post gambar my first PR and surprisingly ada DMI tanya macam mana I buat eyeliner tu. So that's why in this video I'm gonna teach you how I do my eyeliner. When it comes to eyeliner, my principle is less is more. Eyeliner ni bagi mata kita pops up kan, kita tak nak nampak jadi gothic sangat. That's why jangan terlalu overdraw your eyeliner because it's not going to look that good. First step, I suggest jangan draw terus sebab nanti macam korang kena padam balik and it will ruin your eyeshadow. As you can see, I already put on my makeup, my eyeshadow. I haven't put on my mascara because I want to show you how I do my eyeliner. If you guys tak nak terus sketch guna eyeliner, you can grab your angled brush like this. Just take any eyeshadow color yang you tengah pakai sekarang. So mine, as you can see, I have dark chocolate on the outer layer of my eyelid. So I'm going to take that color untuk kita sketch those like mini line. The eyeshadow that I'm using is from Coco Urban. Coco Urban. This is the color that I'm going to use, which is bold. Just take like this. I'm going to grab my mirror here to get a better view. What you have to do is just make sure your line is selari dengan your lower lid and it connects with the end of your brow, this here. So you can see the point like this. See? Well, it's a bit thicker, but it's okay. As long as you can see where the line is leading, okay? Just stamp it like that. And then you can grab your eyeliner. Kita just boleh tut balik. So just connect balik, okay? The key tip when using eyeliner is just make sure mata korang tu macam relax je. Tak nak pandang bawah sangat, tak nak pandang atas sangat. Sebab apa? You know why? See? And then bila dah ada base, this, just do it on another eye. This. And then korang tengok balik, both eye look straight. Dia sama tak? Dia macam satu naik atas, satu naik bawah tak? So make sure dia tak berlaku lah macam tu. And then bila dah ada base tu, korang just drag dia dengan your eyelid. So bila dah ada outline dia, you can just fill in the blanks. Bila ada smudge, you can just grab your Q-tip and your makeup remover and just wipe it off. Gently, and by doing this, it also will make your eyeline looks sharp. So bila dia macam ni, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the line until it like sampai tengah mata I. Like this. Kalau korang dah siap and you notice that your eyeshadow is kind of like hilang, what you're gonna do is just fix it. Just a little bit of it. And make sure kawasan tu dah kering daripada makeup remover korang tu. Brush it. Like so. And just you can continue wearing your mascara. And you are ready to go. So that is all for today's tutorial. Hope you like it and let me know if you guys want more tutorials like this on my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and stay safe.